This life, sometimes we are happy, other times we are sad. I want us to discuss when you are sad or upset, always remember these points. Because sadness or being upset is a part of life. So, how should you take it? Should you break down this? Remembering these points, it's important. One, pain is a part of growing. As you grow, pain is always going to be a part of you. There will be no growth without pain. So it's very important. Two, everything in life is temporary. It's not permanent. Even if you are not happy today, tomorrow it doesn't mean you are not going to be happy. So take that everything in life is temporary. Three, worrying and complaining changes nothing. So even if you get worried and you are complaining and telling all and sundry about how unhappy you are, is not going to change anything. It's going to worsen things. Number four, your scars are important symbols of strength. When you have been hurt, when you have been disappointed, it builds character. And it is a life experience which is going to prepare you for greater encounter in life. So be happy that you are encountering these challenges. And so what am I saying? I'm saying the scars are symbols of strength. You have gone through difficult moments, very great challenges, and you have succeeded. Number five, every little struggle you have is a step forward. Every little struggle. Just respect that. Number six, other people's negativity is not your problem. Don't be bothered by people being negative. Don't be so troubled that you cannot be able even to have good sleep. Take strength, take heart, even if people are negative. The best thing you can do is keep going. Keep going, don't stop. Despite sadness, keep going. Thank you very much. It's Mutia Rukwaru, a family therapist and a relationship coach of the channel A Moment with Rukwaru.